Hey y'all, it's Carmen with Real Life, Real Wife. I'm back with entry 52. Opened it with my Zacto knife. I'm telling you, I'm going to have to turn that into a joke or something until I figure out what I'm going to do. Alright. Oh, I see shreds. Oh my goodness. All the fun stuff. Oh yeah, I gotta love the shred. And look, she put a pretty little maple leaf on the back of the package. And I hope I did not show the front. This entry, she's got pretty leaves on the front too, but I can't show you that. This is entry number, what'd I say? 52. Again, it will be corrected if I'm wrong. This entry is 52 from Miss Kelly. And I'm not going to give the last name out unless it's something I feel like I need to. Oh my goodness. Wow. Let's see. Can I slide this off or am I going to have to untie it? Look at all this gorgeousness. Of course, you saw the pretty bow. It says everyone has a story to tell. I'm telling you, I just think I keep getting more and more signs. And then she's got all this gorgeous tulle all wrapped up like a rosette. And then she's added this gold leaf. The gold leaf and the twine and the butterfly and the flowers on this gorgeous paper. And look at this. Oh, I hope I didn't share that. It says happiness. Yeah, okay, I will because she's put it on here. Happiness is homemade, Kelli Martinez. And then she's got a little heart on there. That is so, so sweet. And I love this paper. Gorgeous. And man, this is some seriously thick. Oh my goodness. I mean, this is like a hardcover book. Look, she sent me some of the flowers that she used. And then she sent me some of these gorgeous feathers. And look at these little mini bag toppers again, y'all. Can y'all see those? And then she sent me some leaf cutouts. Let's see. Excuse this. I just want to, there's a few of these, so I want to make sure I share what I can. I know my videos, you know, can be a little long, but I want to be careful. But look, she has sent me some leaf cutouts. And I love these colors. Oh my goodness, sweetheart. Thank you for that. Wow, those are just gorgeous. And then, it's got a little flap. My goodness. And then she sent me some of these floral. So make sure my big old fingers can get in these little bee bags. Look at those. Are so cute. I'm not showing them. And of course, you know, I love the blings in the centers and I love flowers. And like I said, this cute little bag toppers, y'all just are something else. And then these gorgeous leaves. I don't think I'll need to take these out because I think you might can see them. You see how pretty they are? Wow. I love them. Love them, love them, love them. And then she has got this paper clip right here. Oh, okay, I'm going to set that side. Cute little heart with these little bitty cutouts here as well. Oh my goodness. It's a beautiful day. This is my happy place. Wherever you are, be all there. I love them. Thank you. Okay. Oh my goodness. Ooh, I'm in love. I'm in love. We're going to save that one. Look at all this glitter gorgeousness. Okay. We'll see if I can set that right here. And I've got to pull this gorgeousness out. Oh, wow. Oh. Is that not amazing? Oh my gosh. Oh my. That just... Oh, I feel like I'm in a candy store right now and just... Yum. Those are beautiful and beautiful colors. Thank you so much for that. Oh, let me set this here. And then look at those pretty rosettes. I love the papers that you've used. And then this one's got it's got the die cuts. And then she's used the yellow crepe paper, which I've told you I love yellow. And then this one's got gold foil to it. Let me see, make sure. Yep, there comes my son. All right, I'm going to have to go quick. I hate this. I don't want to have to redo it. And she's gifted me some Snap Studios by Simple Stories. Ooh, there's that sun coming in. I'm sorry, honey. I did not think that it was going to hit just yet. But y'all are about to get blinded. As you can see, it's coming in over here. She's gifted me a charcoal and black sugar scrub. If I don't get my teenager stealing it, I have to hide everything. And then look at these foxes. Oh my gosh. Did you make these? Wow. I want to get these out before the sun. Because we want to go over her memory decks. Come on, son. Slow down. Be gloomy all day. And then at the peak of day, here it goes. Look at them. Hello, friend. And she's got a bow in this one. And thankful one, she's got the bling leaf. Those are so adorable. I love them. Thank you so, so much. I'm sorry, honey. I do not mean to try to rush through with you. It's just I want to get to your memory decks. I hope you understand this. I want to get to your memory decks before the sun actually gets really bad on my desk. And I want to show all your goodies. So I'm just going to do a quick little tie right here and untie it in a minute. I just want to keep that close so you can see everything. Okay, let's get to the memory decks before the sun completely destroys my desk. So this looks like this will be at least the last video. It's the last package as of right now. And it's the last video unless I can get one up tonight. Later on tonight. But look at this. She has got... Wow, this thing is layered up. She has got this gorgeous, gorgeous glittery champagne bottle. Back here in the back, let me keep it down. Back here in the back, she's got a champagne glass or a wine glass. It says Hip Hip Hooray. And I mean, she has got that foamed up. And then she's got this gorgeous bow. And then she's got this bling. And, oh, that's a birthday cake. Look at that. I just realized that. That's a candle. Let me see. Steep. Well, I don't want to call it sun steep because it's not steep, but it's beautiful. Just coming in at the wrong time. Can y'all see that's a little candle? And then it's a little wire. And then it's on the cake with the icing. That is so precious. And then she's got the... tulle, and then she's got bling all over it. Oh, the sun decided to give us a little bit of break. More bling. Okay. Oh, I love your heart. That is so sweet. Oh my gosh, I have not seen this done before. She has got this like little pocket insert. So it slides in and out. Can y'all see that? Y'all, I apologize. I just want to make sure that y'all see all this neatness. That is the neatest thing. I have never seen that. Okay, let's learn something about her. I'm thankful the sun decided to take a little bit of a break. And let me try not to. I'm going to shove that there. You said too much, honey. Okay. I'm grateful. Do not mistake me. I'm so grateful. and so thankful. I just want to make sure that I want to share everything that you sent. Okay. Now, oh, I love how she did her card too. She's even got it all colorful, y'all. Hold on, I got to show y'all this. I'm going to cover her information. Look, she even done that all rainbow. Isn't that cool? Okay. Her name, let's see. Okay. Her name is Kelli Martinez. Her YouTube, if I could speak, is Kelli Martinez 2. She said she only has VRs on her channel. Have you done one for me? If so, please let me know. I will go check. Once I upload this, I will go double check. But just to be on the safe side, I want to make sure you get the correct points. Her favorite color is greens and blues. Her favorite style is anything colorful and sparkly. Her favorite store is Tuesday morning. And her favorite $5 item is dies and stickers. I love how you've done all the colorful writing on that. That's just cheerful, you know? And like I said, I've never seen this insert like that before. That is just the neatest thing. That is so awesome and so pretty. Everything is. Girl, you got some mad skills. Because that is, I mean, that has to be like chipboard kind of crafting. I've only done one thing with chipboard and I kind of messed it up. So I've been kind of nervous about going back to it. Anyway, thank y'all so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much for entering my challenge. Each and every one is a complete blessing. And I thank God for allowing that sun to stop for a few minutes. It can come back now. Okay, I appreciate it. I'm running at the mouth at this point, but I just want you to know how grateful and how absolutely blessed I am and how super, super talented you are. Thank you for this, and thank each and every one of y'all. I'm not sure if I will receive any more packages, but I can tell you at this point, you all have blessed me so tremendously. So tremendously. I no longer have the words. I'm completely blown away. Never in a million years would I've had expected this much love and support, and I just noticed it's more than one color words, letters. Thank you for that. I'm glad I did not miss that. I like to share everything if I possibly can. Anyway, thank you so much. I wish you all the best always, and I'll see you back again soon.